Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by gathering the necessary files and opening your player. This is the only way to ensure control. Load the video, then add the SRT or VTT file if it's external. Once done, check audio levels so captions sync with speech. If the file already contains embedded captions, make sure the player's captions option is turned on. This immediate step prevents playback issues later and makes the rest of the process predictable and fast. Now focus on syncing and styling. After loading subtitles, watch a short segment and adjust subtitle delay until text matches mouth movements. Small shifts matter, so use milliseconds when available. Make sure encoding is correct to avoid garbled characters. Switch to UTF-8 if needed. Then set font size and color for contrast against your video. White with thin black outline usually works. These detailed settings ensure accurate timing and readable captions for the whole viewing session. Finish by saving your configuration or exporting a burned-in copy if you need permanent captions. Double-check a full playback to confirm sync across the file. If timing drifts later, open the subtitle in a simple editor and shift timestamps by a consistent amount, or re-download a better matching subtitle. If nothing works, switch players, convert the video container, or change encoding to UTF-8. Those are the most reliable fixes. This last step closes the loop and prevents repeat problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.